Don't click out of the video until I at least tell you what this side hustle is. Okay, I think I have truly found the single greatest side hustle in at least 2025. Okay, there will not be anything better than this. And what it is creating software for different businesses. And I have stumbled upon this side hustle by just posting TikToks about building out my startup Boomin AI. So I've just been going crazy posting these TikToks about Boomin, building out Boomin. And the reason why it's cool is because I'm building it out on a very different tech stack. So I'm using Toddle. This is my front end, okay? And Toddle's incredible. This isn't just a Figma UI. This is a full stack front end application. Okay, so I have my APIs here that are pulled from a back end. I actually have a bunch of different workflows and formulas and single page application functionality within this. You know, single page application functionality, by the way, is the coolest because there's no refresh. That thing just goes, man, and it is beautiful. Okay, so that's really awesome, and that's my front end. And my back end here is on Xano. And so basically, I've been posting about this stack on TikTok and how special it is because you don't need to know how to code to start building out full stack applications. By the way, we'll talk about this a little bit later on. This is also a mobile application. All right, Boomin AI is on my phone right now through the app through the App Store on Apple. Okay, and so guy hits me up on TikTok and goes, "Hey man, do you think you could help me build out my application for my swim facility? I'm getting quoted like $20,000 to $30,000 from these dev shops." And I was just like, "Wait, what?" This is the first time I ever even like really considered building something for somebody else. Okay, and so I did the deal. I basically did the deal. And I talk about that deal, by the way, guys, if you want to go check it out. I give all the specifics on the tech stack that we used. Basically, it was on Toddle as its front end. We use Supabase as the database. And Supabase is a very powerful database. I still think that the Xano database is more powerful, but it is a little more expensive. So you want to pick which database, which backend you're going to actually use. But guys, that's the side hustle. I think the learning curve to building full stack applications in Toddle and Xano is roughly 2 months. Okay, so you have to understand the principles of programming, all right, as it pertains to like what is a web application, what is a mobile application, how do they work, how does a front end work, how does a back end work, how do I do user authentication, what does it mean to store things on a database, how do I retrieve things from those databases, right? You still have to understand the fundamentals of programming, but I'm not gonna lie, it's never been easier to do this. Okay. And so I really feel like I had to put you guys onto this because I see how beneficial it's gonna be for me this year. And I definitely want you guys on the channel to win. And so I would love for you guys to beta test Boomin. And if you want to shorten the learning curve, by the way, on the Toddle Xano stack, then I would recommend joining Software Creators because I've met a lot of people in this software developer ecosystem. I actually have a really awesome guy coming on the channel tomorrow named Damien, who's a incredible web designer, and he's going to be talking about the Toddle Xano stack as well, right? But if you want to shorten the learning curve on building software for clients or your own projects, then check out Software Creators. If you want to beta test Boomin AI, my platform, then that's in the description as well. But generally, this is the side hustle you want to learn. There are some free resources on the Toddle website. I would first start off with the first week in Toddle. It's here. You can also go into the Toddle Discord. I'm in there, and it's a freaking amazing Discord, 100%. And with Xano, same thing. There are many Xano resources for you guys, on the open web as well. Okay, so whether you guys come as software creators or whether you go along with learning it through tutorials and things of that sort, I truly believe if you hunker down and lock in for 2 months. I'm saying 2 months, but it really could be a month if you're really locked in. 2 months for the tweakers who get a little bit distracted. Okay, but I truly believe that you guys can learn how to build software pretty fast, and the value of building software, it cannot be understated. It is the single, I mean, it controls the S&P 500 from Oracle to SAP to Salesforce to Amazon Web Services. Okay, building software for other companies is one of the single most valuable things you can do in the world. And it's never been easier with this visual development stack and generally. All right, it's been you could have started a while ago, but now it's just stupid easy, and it won't all and it's gonna keep getting easier. So you want to kind of hop on that little wave right now. Check out Tidal, check out Xano, check out software creators as well, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, I'll see you guys in Founder Mode live pretty much every day here on this channel. Peace out.